Video. I just noticed my cat. He was doing something, but whenever I start recording, he just walks away. But I'm going to go say hi to him. Hello, Mr. Alex. Alex the cat. You don't need to run away. I'm not here to be a mean person. I'm never mean to Mike. This is what he does to me every single time. Why are you showing your butt to the camera? It's crazy. You are a crazy cat. Sorry that I keep flipping my phone around. But, ow! I hurt myself. Say hello to the camera, kitty, cat. Yeah. Oh God, I have a bad cough. Look at the camera. You don't need to be ashamed of the camera. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back. Well, I'm on the step now. He's a cute cat. He's purring. Don't mind the camera, Alex. It's just a camera. Look at the camera. My yard is beautiful. I have my own little pool. Lots of things. Yeah. My phone is shaking like crazy. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this little short vlog. If you did, please do make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you would like me to do in the next video. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.